Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is dahi bhindi. Let's check out the recipe. Cut the lady's finger in about 1 to 2 inches long pieces and then slit each piece in the middle, but don't cut completely into half pieces. I have taken 1 kg of bhindi and I am preparing for 3 people, so all the said measurements will be according to that, so you can adjust your measurements as per your serving plates. Once all the lady's finger are cut, we will chop onions. I have taken 3 medium sized onions. Cut onions into half and chop it vertically. We don't want finely chopped onions for dahi bhindi. Now let's whisk the curd and keep it ready. I have taken 5 tablespoon curd. Whisk it for few seconds and then add 2 tablespoon water and then whisk again to get a smooth texture. Now let's fry the lady's finger first. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoon oil. Let it heat and then add all the chopped bhindis into it. Fry till the bhindis are slightly cooked or turn dark green in color. It was about 4 to 5 minutes now. Take it out and keep aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Let them splutter and then add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Fry till garlic turns golden brown. Then add the onions and fry for few seconds. And then add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and add salt and fry till onions turn translucent. Then add the tomato puree. I have taken 2 tomatoes and have made paste. Mix well and add 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt as per taste, and mix well. Once tomatoes are cooked nicely, add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, mix it well, and then add the whisked curd. Mix it into tomato onion paste. I'm also adding little water. Mix well and now add the fried bhindi into the masala. Mix all the bhindi into the masala and then add a little bit salt if you have not added enough as per taste. And then cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 teaspoon garam masala and give it a mix and cook for another 5 minutes. The bhindi is cooked nicely and it smells good too. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Let me take out the bhindi in a bowl for serving. Add some curd on top if you like. Serve it hot with chapatis and enjoy the taste of dahi bhindi. If you liked my video, do not forget to subscribe. Till next video, bye bye.